Turn your Costco haul into ready-to-go meals in minutes with this strategic prep guide. First up, conquer your produce victories. Don't just toss those bulk bags of peppers, onions, and zucchini into your fridge. Take them home and chop them while they're fresh and crisp. Store each type of vegetable in its own airtight container or reusable bag. This makes grabbing ingredients for stir-fries, omelets, or fajitas a breeze. Next, tackle your protein. That massive package of chicken breasts or family-sized packs of ground beef. Divide them into meal-sized portions before they go in the freezer. Use freezer-safe bags or containers, removing as much air as possible to prevent freezer burn. Labeling them with the contents and date ensures you know exactly what you're thawing and when. This is a game-changer for busy weeknights. And now, let's get those pantry staples organized for ultimate efficiency. Those enormous bags of rice, pasta, oats, or flour can be intimidating. Decant them into sturdy, airtight containers. This not only keeps them fresh and pest-free but also makes it incredibly easy to measure out what you need for recipes. Think of it as creating your own grab-and-go meal prep station right in your pantry. The beauty of this prep is flexibility. You can roast those chopped veggies for easy side dishes or toss them directly into a protein for a pre-made meal. Those portion chicken breasts can be grilled, baked, or stir-fried in mere minutes. This proactive approach to your Costco shopping transforms bulk buying from a chore into a time-saving strategy, empowering you to eat well and reclaim your evenings. So next time you hit Costco, remember this prep ahead and unlock a week of effortless, delicious meals. Happy prepping.